So we're out here, guys.
So glad you can make it.
We're out here at the Causeway, Park, and we got all the way. And it turns out I didn't think it would be a good place to fly FPV, but it turned out that I flew one already, and turned out to be a pretty good place. We got.
Yep. Go ahead. And Mitch is going to take off. Get ready, folks. Look at him go! That's amazing. It's a little breezy, and that little bird is so steady. And he's taking a chance. He's going over the water. There he goes. Oh man, I'm telling you. I forgot he can't even see you.
We got Ken Hofbauer and Matt Cundiff, his family here, and of course, Captain Ray Kelly himself. And there's
We're gonna have a good day.
Trucks
a great day.
Trucks and SUVs over there, just full of quads and RC cars and DJI stuff and Ray's t-shirt shop. Let's see if we can zoom in on Ray's t-shirt shop. There it is. Pretty cool. Anyway, they brought food, donuts, a barbecue. Man, it sucks that you're all not here. Okay, take off. All right, I see propellers.
God, it's quiet.
It is.
Oh, compared to the big one, yeah. Wow.
And there goes Ray.
Wow, that's...
I want to get some shots of your drone, too.
And they're squaring off for the battle. Ray Kelly definitely with the weight advantage.
Okay, here we go.
And there it is, and probably just going to get boring from here. So Ken has brought some food for us today. He's got all these condiments and onions, and man, look at this damn broccoli. Oh, that looks good. Oh, yes, sir. So, you know, coming out to these flyers to meet the guys is like a catered affair. It's pretty neat. And it's windy as hell, unfortunately. You know, you remember when the guys went out there to Colorado for the spin down and ended up with 30, 40 mile an hour winds? But you know, you can still have a good time just getting together with some guys that you haven't met before.